Top 10 Auto Repair in Houston. 1. Premium Automotive, 5,790 reviews, Telephone Road. 2. J&T Automotive, 4.9 1489 reviews, Westview Dr. 3. Yes Autofix, Best Collision Repair, Transmission Repair Expert, Best Automobile Repair, 4.9 676 reviews, Stella Link Rd. 4. Orion Auto Service Incorporated, 4.9 384 reviews, Yale Street. 5. Master Car Care and Collision, 4.8 1298 reviews, Yale Street. 6. RMS Auto Care, 4.8 1156 reviews, Westheimer Rd. 7. Midtown Auto Service and Repair, 4.8 509 reviews, Almeda Road. 8. Danny's Auto Service, 4.8 467 reviews, Chimney Rock Road. 9. Westside Automotive, 4.8 435 reviews, Oxford Park Dr. 10. Auto World Houston, 4.8 385 reviews, W Loop S.